Hi, I thought I would do a little tour of our apartment here in K-Town. We moved here during the pandemic and we got a great deal, and that is the only reason we can afford living here. I'm telling you all, right now is a really great place to rent. Luxury apartments are super cheap right now because they are empty. I think some people have caught on because when we moved in here, there was a lot of very empty apartments, and now they're filling up. So if you are looking for an apartment, now's a good time to, if you can afford it, to try to get out of where you are and find somewhere better. We found this amazing apartment just down the street from where we lived. So first of all, the move was really easy because it was just down the street, and it's such a nice apartment with a lot of really nice amenities. I'm just gonna give a little tour of it right now, how it is like for Christmas time, and then I thought I would do another better one for springtime or summer when hopefully everything is open, like the gym and everything. So you'll get to see everything in the building and all the amenities and everything. But I just thought I'd show you our little cozy apartment. I don't have like a very typical minimalist modern style, so some of you may not like how I've decorated the place. It's kind of childish and not very cool and stylish, but it's cozy, I think. And again, a lot of it is decorated for Christmas right now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed a little tour of this $1,800 apartment in Los Angeles in K-Town in 2020.